Alright, good day mga KXS grinders. So today, mag-update tayo sa December 4, Wednesday. Okay, so before anything else, check muna tayo sa mga stats natin So AXS is currently $9.69. Tumaas siya ng 4.69%. And then, punta tayo sa ating play to rise. Under daily bounties, standard board. Okay, meron tayong Atiya. Kuha natin to 10 points. And also, Classic Battle, 35 points. Nakuha na rin natin yan. Origins, 35 points. Nakuha na natin yan. And for this week, meron na tayong total na 240 points and estimated earning na 0.15 AXS. Now, moving forward to our Premier Board. Ito, medyo madami tayong nakuha sa Premier Board, no? So, nakuha natin itong 70 points by winning one rank game. Okay, using a Axie that has a rare higher rune. And we also have 12 points for crafting and origins. Okay. And then we also have 90 points in classic by winning one arena using plant mech bug. Okay. And then meron din tayong 19 points for winning one battle sa classic. So all in all, for the whole week under Premier, meron na tayong 421 points and current estimated earnings na 0.25 AXS. Okay. And then moving to staking. Ay, before nga pala sa staking, pakita ko nga pala itong natin. Okay, so last week meron na tayong AXS na nakuha sa harvest, which is 0.1523 AXS. So yun yung nakuha natin with an estimated amount of $1.45. So idadagdag natin to sa staking. And then going back to AXS staking. Alright. So kung makikita ninyo, nagdagdag nga pala ako dito ng around $200, no? Binalik ko yung tapos may additional pa. So nagdagdag ako ng $200, mga around 10,000 pesos sa staking natin. Kaya kung makikita nyo, meron tayong 33.38219 AXS and it's still pumping. So $322.16 estimated earnings. Okay. So inad na natin to sa stake kanina. And then yung also last week's na AXS natin inad na rin. So kaya makikita nyo ganito yung status ng natin. So okay, all good yan. And nga pala, currently pakita ko pumping si Ethereum. So ito po yung so si Ethereum kasi yung naggadal ng AXS natin So if in case na mag-breakout yan or tumaas, so basically magtataas din ng AXS ron. So ayun, meron tayong Fear and Greed dito. So kung nakikita nyo 83, extreme greed na yan. And then dominance. So sa dominance, kapag bumaba ng below 50 itong si Bitcoin for dominance, so matik yan. Lahat ng pera na nasa kanya is bubuhos sa layer 2, which is Ethereum, and under ni Ethereum the rest same din, which is si AXS and also si Ronin. So currently titingnan ninyo market cap ni Bitcoin at almost 2 trillion yan. And then sa baba si Ethereum, which is 4.6 or half a trillion. So yun nga po. So yun, and that's the only update we have. So currently watching tayo, no? So all goods.